Hi guys, welcome to episode 11 of kamaltechvlog. Today we have some exciting news for the OnePlus users. This is about the end of support of software for OnePlus users. So let's start. You all know OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro were launched in April 2020, that's this year. So on OnePlus they are gone ahead and printed out a schedule of the update status also. What they have mentioned over there is like you will be getting the updates till 2023 till April. So as 3 years they have promised, they are providing for 8 and 8 Pro till April 2023. And for OnePlus Nord, which was launched in July, they have promised till the updates will be given till July 2023. So 3 years is promised there also, and they are going to fulfill it. They have mentioned that. On all these phones, they'll be getting a quarterly update for security patches. But for the OnePlus 8T, there's not been a schedule given till now. But they have mentioned, like we can see by the track record, what they have mentioned is, if OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8 as well as OnePlus Nord is getting 3 years updates, maybe this phone was 80 was launched in October, so we might be getting it till October 2023 for them also, the security updates. So if you did like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and do mention your thoughts in the comment section so that I can give you better content. And thank you, and you have a wonderful day.